Welcome back to my channel English Destination. Students get confused in some words. So those confusing words I have mentioned here in this video with their proper meanings, pronunciation and context. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
It's my birthday today. So, you have to come at my birthday party.
Sure! Thanks for the invitation. I accept your invitation.
The stores will be open daily except Sundays.
I expect rain tomorrow. He will give you the access code.
Excess of everything is poisonous.
Susan adapted the novel for movies.
Maria is very adept at dealing with the media.
Mehra family decided to adopt a child.
I am learning simple addition at school.
This is new edition.
Their lives are affected by heavy rainfall. The teacher had a positive effect on the students. I advised you to stay at home.
Thanks for your advice. He was a drummer in the Razak band.
I will bend down and pick a piece of paper. I don't want to bear him anymore.
The man ordered a beer.
I am beating at the door with my fists.
I am bit busy.
Some people love beets for their flavor. That boy braked sharply to avoid accident.
I broke the glass.
See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.